So, welcome back, friends. As we very well predicted over the weekend, we'll see a rebound in a few days. And we have seen the good rebound today in the Indian stock markets, the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. That's not an easy calculation, friends. I have to do a lot of things to be able to figure out if and when the rebound will come and how long the rebound can last. And today was difficult because you were seeing actually the market was trying to rebound for the last 10 or 12 days. The slowing had the fall or the selling had slowed down dramatically, but the rise was not coming that in a manner to show that the Nifty or the Bank Nifty would close in the green by the end of the day. The US stock futures have risen at this point of time as traders are hoping for a possible compromise on the Donald Trump administration's tariffs targeting goods from key trading partners, in this case Canada, Mexico and China. Futures tied to the Dow Jones are up 242 points. The S&P futures and the Nasdaq 100 futures have also added 0.6 and 0.7 percentage respectively. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has said yesterday on Fox Business that the US might meet Canada and Mexico somewhere in the middle to work something out on tariffs. Earlier in the day, the US levies on Canadian and Mexican imports took effect. Canada responded with duties of its own, while Mexico said that it would unveil retaliatory measures over the weekend. These tariffs sent the stocks tumbling on Tuesday. Dow Jones lost 670 points. At one point, it was down more than 900. S&P 500 dropped 1.22% and Nasdaq shed 0.35%. The Nasdaq had dipped more than 2% at its lowest point and came within striking distance of correction territory, a term that refers to an index falling 10% from a recent peak. The thing that we have emphasized over and over again is that Trump introduces uncertainty. He likes disruption. We now are at a point where a single tweet or a single release of information can significantly alter the interpretation of what markets look like. That's another thing that, like today's rebound, and we are, by the way, expecting some more rebound, right? How long that can last? Do join our Premium Plus, which gives you 10 to 12 days predictions in advance, plus some very good stocks, stock options, and multi-bagger recommendations. You almost end up in a forced savings regime, which in turn negatively impacts employment, negatively impacts wealth, and that's what markets are trying to price in right now. President Donald Trump addressed a market stress over the tariffs, saying that a little disturbance from the levies are okay. Tariffs are about making America rich again and making America great again. And it's happening, and it will happen rather quickly. New economic releases on Wednesday morning that could shed light on the state of the United States economy include the ADP Private Payrolls report for February, as well as the Purchasing Managers Index for last month. The companies that are due to report quarterly earnings on Wednesday include Abercrombie and Fitch, Campbell's, and Brown-Forman. In the meanwhile, European stocks have opened higher Wednesday, with Germany's DAX jumping almost 3% after the parties expected to form the next government agreed a deal that could lead to increased spending on infrastructure and defense. France's CAC and the United Kingdom's FTSE were 1.8% and 0.5% higher. So we have seen an across-the-board rebound in world financial markets. That's what we had forecasted last week. I was not even aware of what Trump will talk about tariffs and then try to say that no, we'll try and talk over with his partners and reduce the tariffs. So our analysis is much before all this. And that's the beauty of art of investing. Don't miss the opportunity. Do join. It's going to be a sensational next 3 months. Tremendous action is there. Do join Premium Plus, the 3-month plan. And yes, there is also some discount offer. So don't miss that opportunity on the auspicious occasion of Holi. You can join that, and the number to get in touch. You may WhatsApp us on 98208610044. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.